Welcome back. So, you have read question number 1 to 5 in the previous class. Okay, let us start solving the problems one by one. So, in question number 1, what was given? Find the area of the square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter. Circle having radius 8 centimeter. Okay, R equals to 8 centimeter. Find the area of the square that can be inscribed in a circle. That can be inscribed in a circle. So, this is the diameter, and again that is the diagonal, right? We discussed in the last class. So, if A is the side, then diagonal is nothing but root 2A, that equals to the diameter 2R. So, it is 16 centimeter. A equals to 16 by root 2 centimeter. You have to find out the area of the square, that is A square. So it is 16 by root 2 into 16 by root 2. 256 by 2, 128 centimeter square. Okay? So this is a simple formula. Root 2A equals to 2R. The relation is used. You have known the value of R. We are getting A from it, and A square is simply found. Moving on to next problem. Question number 2. What is given? A rectangular field 42 meter into 35 meter. Semicircular lawns are attached to all the edges of a rectangular field measuring 42 meter into 35 meter. Find the area of the total field. So, there are 4 lawns attached to each side of the rectangle. Something like this. So, you can easily say that this area and this area will be equal, and this will be equal, because the diameter for this semicircle is equal to the diameter of this semicircle. Similarly for this. So, if this is A, B, C, D, E, we are dividing the area into 5 segments: A, B, C, D, E. A equals to B, C equals to D, E is nothing but the area of the rectangle, that is 42 into 35 meter square. Okay. And in case of A, this is the diameter. So, this is R1, then 2R1 equals to 42 meter, R1 equals to 21 meter. In this case, if this is R2, then 2R2 equals to 35 meter, R2 equals to 35 by 2, 17.5 meter. Okay? So this is area A equals to pi R1 square by 2 equal to area of B, and for C it is pi R2 square by 2 equals to area of D. So if entire area is to be found out, then you have to add A plus B plus C plus D plus E. That is This is A. So A equals to B. So A plus B is nothing but this into 2. So it becomes pi r1 square. And C plus D equals to pi r2 square. And E is already found, 42 into 35. Put the value of R1, put the value of R2, find out this value, compute this and add. So such meter square is your answer. Got it? You can easily compute. Let us move to question number 3. I am just giving you the hint how to solve the problems using the formula we learned in the previous class. So question number 3 is once again a tricky one. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 2 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 32 meter. What is the area of the path? So a flower bed is there. A path surrounding the bed is there. This thickness is 2 meter. And diameter of the bed, so this to this is 32 meter. Okay. So generally we take the inner radius as R1 or smaller and the outer radius as capital R. So here R, small r is nothing but 32 by 2, 16 meter, and the capital R, that is the radius with the path. You get it just by adding the thickness of the path. So capital R is nothing but R plus 2 meter. Here it is 32 plus 2, that is 34 meter. Okay. So the area inside the area of the bed is pi r square, and area of the land with path is pi r square. So what is the area of the path? Area of path is pi r square minus pi r square. So here it is pi of you get is a d. Here it is 16. So 16 plus 2, 18 meter. So it is pi 18 square minus 16 square. Okay. Just compute this. Similar problems you can get in your exam. So be very careful that you add the thickness of the road or anything else given, as in question number 5 also, the parapet. Add the thickness of the road of the parapet on the width of the thickness with the radius, not with the diameter. If you consider the diameter, then you are to add twice the width. So capital D is small d plus 2 into 2. Got it? 2 into width, I can say. Be very careful. In case of determining the diameter, you have to add twice the width, because one width is here, another is here. But in case of radius, this is only small r plus the width of the road. Okay. So following this procedure, you can also solve question number 5. So question number 5 is not done here. We are left with the problem to solve. We are discussing the question number 4. What is question number 4? The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 450 centimeter. Find the area of the circle. Very common question. Easy one. Just read the question and follow it. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 450 centimeter. So it is 2 pi r minus 2r equals to 450. Isn't it? A simple equation. Take it common, 2r, pi minus 1, 450, 2r, 22 by 7 minus 1, 450, 2r into 15 by 7, 450, 2r equals to 7 into 450 by 15, 210 centimeter. Okay, so you can get the radius r equals to by 2, 105 centimeter, and area is nothing but pi r square. R is 105 centimeter. So these are some tricky problems. You can get simple problems like find the area of a circle, find the perimeter of a circle, just like the previous class we discussed. But there are some tricky problems which apply those formula but in some different way. So it is requested that you go through all the 5 problems by yourself and do it yourself. Thank you.